How can't he paid 25,000 rands lobola for Zoleka? Hey, my guy's dirty laundry is exposed now and the whole country sees it. He is now a country's laughing stock. So I want to talk about that and more here on this video. But first, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you're subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. So I created this video earlier on reporting on Hlati's downfall, and as you can see on your screen right now that he's moved on to a new house. In fact, this is not even a house. It looks like a shack in J.I.2 after being kicked out by Zoleka. So after realizing that things between her and Lazarus are going well at work and they are promising, Zoleka decided that she's going to go home and share some bad news with Hlati. And those news are that Hlati needs to find himself a new place to stay. And yes, of course, he tried playing his usual cards. Uyawazi mos uthi kuhamabandla apha lo mzi side sawenzela umsebenzi sawubeka nakwizinyanya. Angithi that works for him on a normal day. So this time around things went south because Zoleka akayingeni. Now, what made Hlati laughing stock of the whole country and Zoleka every female's hero is her recent action. And this one's going to end next week because I also saw it on the teaser. So Zoleka sends back Hlati's lobola money. Imagine that. As in, yonke imali he paid on that day as lobola. Futhi yazi, Zoleka uyedelela yazi. I don't know, was that really necessary mara, eh? Hi. And guys, ningangizwa ngabo mangithi yonke imali ngicabanga ukuthi hayi imali serious. Zoleka export to the whole country that Hlati paid only 25,000 rands kumlobola. Hlati's life is a mess. But I know that my girls are over. So the Friday episode ended with Hlati going to Thumeka's house. I know that teaser show us that he's going to be kicked out of there as well. But ngiyaphinda futhi my guy usazovuka. This is just temporary. Yonke into isazolunga. So ladies and gentlemen, comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions with regard to this topic. And if you enjoyed content here in this video, please do like it, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. So thank you so much for watching this video. Let's engage again on the next one.